Guys, today we're going to be looking at this beautiful 6-bedroom beach home here in Tankah Bay, one of Tulum's only beachfront neighborhoods. And you're 10 minutes away from Tulum, right by the PGA Golf Course. This is 6 bedrooms, absolutely gorgeous, very quiet. This is for the sort of person that wants peace and quiet. This is going for 2.95 and negotiable. Actually, they just dropped it down to 2.7, so very nicely done here. And it has a guest house where the property manager and his wife live, and they're the ones that make sure that everything's all right and that the upkeep is done. So great deal for them and you. They know how to cook as well. So what else? We have this new Try Before You Buy homeownership program where you get to stay right here or in any resale or development before you buy it, so you can make sure that it's something that you love. It's the only way to find out. And if you do love it, we'll put you in contact with other owners to find out if what the HOA is like, to ask if it's quiet, if it's nice, and what they like about the developer, what they don't like about living there, all that good stuff. It's the only way to find out for sure. Don't trust sales agents ever. Real estate agents, the ones that are licensed, this is what we do. We talk to other people and find out the truth for you. Just here at my casa, we go to a step further. Oh, that's beautiful. We go a step further and we put you in contact with those neighbors, with those other owners. And so you hear it directly from them. So that's pretty amazing. Nobody else does that. And this is gorgeous. Its own en-suite bathroom. And the upstairs is amazing. You got to stick around for the upstairs. Wow. You got to check this out. Let's go quickly. And let's go. So there's all these cute little restaurants around here and a little supermarket, PGA Golf Course nearby, Tulum obviously. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So quaint. This is real Mexican style right here. If you want a list of all the beachfront homes for sale, just comment in the section down below or email me at raulmorales@mycasa.mx and I'll send you out a list, not just from my agency, but from all agencies. All the resales, all new construction, all pre-construction, we can send you all that. So just ask us, we're here to help get you the best price, and our commissions are paid by the seller, just like in the US. And if we don't exist, then the whole commission goes to the listing agent or the sales team of the developer. So you might as well have somebody that's looking out for your interests. If you'd like to know more, contact us, comment down below, click subscribe, like, follow, all that good stuff. Love you guys. Bye.